I'm Alex Haas.
I'm Paul Kazari.
And this is why you should take AP Physics.
Physics is a science that deals with matter and its interactions. And for those of you who have questions as to what physics actually covers, what we've learned so far, it's covered force, kinematics, and other things such as energy, and other things that we're also going to learn next semester.
And basically, if you don't really got any of what he said, think back to 8th grade when we learned about the forces, about inertia, and stuff like that. It's basically review, but with a twist. There's algebra involved, and a lot of equations. It sounds bad, but trust me, you'll probably be able to handle it. If you want to be an engineer, you will definitely need physics. If you want to be a structural engineer, an architect, anything, even science majors need physics. See that? That's physics! You may be asking, a school bus driving on the street, how is that physics? Let me tell you, a bunch of our everyday tasks and things we do, such as walking or driving and etc., actually totally revolve around physics. And the cool thing about physics is that it can explain why a bunch of these things happen. Not only that, but you can use physics to make predictions.
Guess what, Mariah?
What, Alex?
I'm great at physics.
Prove it!
Okay, see that ball?
Uh-huh.
I bet you that I could totally use all the really super cool formulas that I use in physics class, and I can predict when that ball will hit the ground when Missy throws it up in the air.
Do it!
All right, calculation time. I predict that the ball will go up and hit the ground in about 3.2 seconds.
Why don't you put your money where your mouth is?
Go! Time it, Paul!
Right?
3.2 seconds, son!
No.
AP Physics! Swag!
A plus side to physics is that with all these formulas you learn, you'll be able to impress your friends too, like I just did.
I've always actually been really interested in taking physics ever since I was in middle school in 7th grade. When I first started doing this engineering boot camp, and physics sounded so cool because of the whole concept of quantum mechanics. And getting into junior year and actually taking physics and working on mechanics and all the things that we've done, it's actually really fun. And I strongly recommend you taking this class because it's going to help you later on in the future, especially if you want to do something in engineering or math and science.
Physics is really cool. I mean, who wouldn't want to know how to calculate how fast a car is going? Or to know the exact time that ball will hit the ground. It can be used for anything. And I understand that a class such as AP Physics might sound challenging to the point where it sounds scary, but the great thing about challenges in AP classes are that they make you a better person and they help build your character. They also really help prepare you for college.
Take AP Physics.
See you next year.
We really hope that you make the decision